Want to boost your health and also lower your risk of chronic illness? Reducing your body's inflammation can be a life changer. Combat inflammation with an anti-inflammatory meal plan. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll be discussing a crucial topic, inflammation. Let's explore what inflammation is and how you can combat it with an anti-inflammatory meal plan. Plus, we'll share some delicious recipes to get you started on your journey to a healthier, inflammation-free life. To begin, let's clarify what inflammation is. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or illness. It's a vital process that helps your body heal and protect itself. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can lead to various health issues, including heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. There are two types of inflammation, acute and chronic. Acute inflammation is short-term and usually occurs in response to an injury or infection, while chronic inflammation persists for a longer time and often lacks a clear trigger. Chronic inflammation can result from various factors, including a sedentary lifestyle, stress, smoking, and exposure to environmental toxins. However, one of the most significant contributors to chronic inflammation is our diet. Foods high in sugar, saturated fats, and refined carbohydrates can trigger inflammation, whereas an anti-inflammatory diet can help reduce it. Let's dive into what an anti-inflammatory diet looks like. An anti-inflammatory diet is rich in foods that help combat inflammation. These include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Here are some key components of an anti-inflammatory diet. Number 1. Fruits and vegetables. Packed with antioxidants and phytochemicals, fruits and vegetables reduce inflammation. Excellent choices are berries, leafy greens, colorful peppers. Number 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Foods like fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, flax seeds, and walnuts are rich in omega-3 south, which have potent anti-inflammatory properties. Number 3. Opt for whole grains. Opt for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread over refined grains. Number 4. Choose poultry, fish, legumes, and tofu as sources of lean protein, and limit red meat consumption. Number 5. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, chia seeds, and hemp seeds provide healthy fats and fiber that reduce inflammation. Now that we understand the basics, let's move on to the exciting part, delicious anti-inflammatory recipes. We've gathered some mouth-watering recipes to help you kickstart your anti-inflammatory journey. Remember, these recipes are not only tasty, but also packed with inflammation-fighting ingredients. Number 1. Turmeric Roasted Veggies. Turmeric is an essential ingredient for anti-inflammatory diet. Ingredients: assorted veggies, olive oil, turmeric, black pepper, salt. Instructions: toss veggies in a mixture of olive oil, turmeric, black pepper, and salt. Roast until golden brown. Number 2. Salmon and Quinoa Salad. Ingredients: grilled salmon, cooked quinoa, mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, olive oil, lemon dressing. Instructions: combine all ingredients and drizzle with the dressing for a refreshing salad. Number 3. Chia Seed Pudding. Ingredients: chia seeds, almond milk, honey, berries, sliced almonds. Instructions: mix chia seeds and almond milk, sweeten with honey, and top with berries and sliced almonds. Refrigerate overnight. By incorporating these foods into your daily meals, you'll be taking significant steps towards reducing chronic inflammation and promoting overall health. That's a wrap on today's video of Live Your Nutritious Life. Remember, understanding inflammation, its causes, and adopting an anti-inflammatory diet can have a profound impact on your well-being. Start with small changes and gradually build a diet that's not only delicious, but also anti-inflammatory. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more health tips and tasty recipes in the future. Until next time, eat well and be well.